On the Ickonic Ickonic the News Show this week, the Labour opposition leader in Britain, Keir Starmer, wants to change the country. And Klaus Schwab wants to change the country. And they both want to change it in the same way. Isn't synchronicity bloody amazing? And then Big Pharma is inventing diseases that don't exist, so they can give you a pill for them. And just when you thought wokery could not get any more ridiculous, it does. Apparently, if a baby touches a mother, then the mother is being assaulted. No, intelligence is being assaulted. But then that's wokery, isn't it? That's the Ickonic the News Show on Ickonic from 7 p.m. every Friday. And you can take out a free 7-day trial whenever you like.